Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to delete the row in a table in your Google Sheet web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So here I just going to show how to delete the row in the table in your Google Sheet web on the computer. So for an example, here I have a total of 15 rows, but I didn't want like that. So I just need to delete some of the rows. I just need only 4 rows. So first I just need to delete, I just need 9, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So let's click on this. If you just want to delete any row, click on the any cell of the row first and right click on your mouse. You have this pop up and here you can find an option called delete table row. Click on this. You can see that table row has been gone. So the same thing, for an example, I just want to delete the rows from 4 to 8. So select the entire row like this, right click here and you will see this option called delete row from 4 to 8. Click on this, it automatically delete it. So the 4 row, so I just going to delete the remaining rows. The same process, right click on your mouse and click on the delete row 5 to 9 and it automatically deleted. Now you have only 4 rows. You can eventually delete rows and you can just create your table on your Google Sheet web on the computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Unique. Have a wonderful day.